So really right now I'm in front of Sisters of the Sky. It's really important this year to me because one of the inductees, Teresa Claiborne, she started Sisters of the Sky. So this is a nonprofit organization that's looking to impact underserved kids who don't know or have been exposed to aviation. And with that, I have my friend right here, Kim. We have known each other for a long time. So introduce yourself, please.
I am Kim Ford. I'm a first officer with Alaska Airlines. I've been with Alaska for 2001, but where I started out is the military. I'm a retired Air Force pilot. I flew cargo, I flew C-17s. I also flew KC-135s. I did operations enduring and Iraqi freedom. So it's, at this time, it's great to be here to support Sisters of the Skies to encourage new women pilots.
So let me, you kind of brushed that off real quick, but let me just say, over 20 years military service.
Yes.
You flew heavies, KC-135s and what else?
C-17s.
C-17s. So short field landings, taking off like a bad egg, right? So how many hours do you have total in your military?
My military, I have about 8,000 hours.
8,000 hours military. So let's just say right now, we're not even gonna talk about anything because she deserves whatever flowers that she got and that she continues to get because she has more hours than most people here combined.
Thank you so much.
Let's go. So Alaskan Airlines, you've been flying. So what position?
I am a first officer. I decided to keep first officer just for family reasons. It's worked out for me. I do a lot of turns, sort of out and back flights.
Yes.
But it is really great to be able to assist the captain, give them information.
Absolutely.
Call on the experience that I have.
So don't even think for a second. I know people putting questions in your minds. I know the comments are going to say something. But when you have this much experience, you know what you want in life. And you have the option to do whatever the heck you want. And that's what she wants to do because some things are more important than just flying the line. And as you get older, you understand that. So I appreciate you saying that. I'm putting it out there so we don't have anyone say anything. I'm a little feisty right now, especially with you. So tell us a little bit about Sisters of the Sky. Tell us a little bit more about the organization.
Yeah, we are actually related to Women Aviation. Two women came together in 2016. We looked around and they said, hey, I don't see a lot of women of color. So we decided to form this organization. It was formed in 2017. Teresa Claiborne is the president. We do scholarship, mentorship, and outreach. We have scholarships in the summer and the fall. Our outreach is Girls Rock Wings. We have 2 every summer and fall, so young ladies can come and learn about aviation. And we have online mentorship where women from private pilot all the way through instrument and commercial can talk to other women online and study and just get support and encouragement. So we are growing. We have about over 200 members. We're really proud of the women that we've been able to put in the flight deck, whether it be in the military, commercial, or whatever organization, or maybe they just want to fly for fun. And all that is okay.
Right, and these are women with a lot of experience. We are here to mentor other young people, other young women. So it is a great opportunity if you're thinking about aviation, any part of aviation. So this is just not about pilots. It's not about flight attendants. This is about people who want to fix aircraft, who want to do drones, who want to be in operations scheduling, being a dispatcher, doing all these things. Sisters of the Sky is for you. So join up. Let's make this organization bigger because we have to support one another. Because right now, we got some people doing some wild things and we got to let them know that we are here to stay. We are here to do the business and we are here to outperform you any day. I want someone to come with about 8,000 hours less than and try to compete with her. It's a wrap. Anyway.
Right. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.